I'm going to revise rectification of errors. Okay, we'll do the last question. Journal. So first one, so now we are doing third question. Rectification of following errors through suspense account. Rectification of following errors through suspense account. Now we are so first question, purchase of goods from Sachin for rupees 3,000 was entered in the sales book. Was entered in the sales book. However, Sachin's account was correctly credited. So credit is correct. Purchased goods from Sachin recorded in sales book. So normally purchased goods from Sachin, purchase account Sachin. Sachin is correct. So in this case, what will be the entry? Anyone? Purchase account debtor.
Sales account debtor.
Sales account debtor to
Suspense account.
correct. What is correct here? So, credit is correct. There you have to put suspense account. Okay. Purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to suspense account. If it is a normal means to that person we will write. Okay. 3,000 is the amount. 3,000, 3,000, 6,000. Okay, so first question, purchased goods from Sachin was entered in the sales book. However, Sachin's account was correctly credited. So credit we have to write, suspense, error is purchase record in sales. So sale is credit to rectify sales. Purchase is debit, purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to suspense. Correct debit is purchase, purchase you have to write, sales wrong to rectify that sales debit. Purchase account debtor, sales account to suspense. Being credit purchase, entered in the sales book. However, such an account is correctly credited. Now rectified. The rest up to credited it is enough. Okay. Enter in the sales book. That is also enough. Next one. Cash received from Anil Kumar. Cash received from Anil Kumar, a debtor, was correctly entered in the cash book. What was omitted to posted to his account? Cash received from Anil Kumar. Cash, no problem. But not posted to Anil Kumar. So you have to look in this entry, Anil Kumar is debit or credit. Then opposite will be suspense. So Anjo, in your view, what is the entry? Note posted to Anil Kumar. Note posted to Anil Kumar. Cash received from Anil Kumar. We recorded in the cash. Cash we recorded. But note posted to Anil Kumar. Anjo. Yes. Suspense accounted to Anil Kumar. Suspense accounted to Anil Kumar. Suspense accounted to Anil Kumar. 4,500. Being cash received, note posted to Anil Kumar. Now rectified. Now rectified. Suspense accounted to Anil Kumar. Next, third question. Sales book, last question, rectification of errors, last question, third one. Sales book was overcast. Sales book was overcast by rupees 2,000. Sales book overcast. So we know that if it is undercast means same. Suppose purchase book undercast. So same you have to do. If it is debit, debit. So purchase accounted to suspense. Purchase book overcast. Then suspense accounted to purchase. Sales book undercast. Undercast means same. Sale is credit. So suspense account to sales. Then overcast means sales accounted to suspense. If it is purchase return book, okay, overcast. Undercast means same. Suspense account to purchase return. If it is overcast, opposite. Purchase return account to suspense. Sales return undercast. Sales return account to suspense. Sales return account overcast. So suspense account to sales return. So here, third one, sales book overcast. January, Anat, sales book overcast.
Sales account added to suspense account.
Yes, sales account added to suspense account. Sales account added to suspense account. Being sales book overcast. Now rectified. Amount 2,000. Next one, cash paid to Sadiq was credited to Sabir. Cash paid to Sadiq 5,000. Credited to Sabir 1,800. So cash paid to Sadiq. Instead of Sadiq, here means wrong side also they given. Cash paid to Sadiq, credited to Sabir. Credited to Sabir. Cash paid to Sadiq. So correct in this entry, Sadiq is debit or credit. Instead of Sadiq, we wrote Sabir. So we have to write the correct head. So Sabir is debit or credit. Cash paid to Sabir. Aparna?
Sir, Sadiq is debit.
Yes. So Sabir account debtor. So paid to Sadiq 5,000. Okay. So we credited to 1 minute. Sadiq, no. This one Sabir. Okay, Sadiq, I am telling. Sadiq. Cash paid to Sadiq. So Sadiq account. So Sadiq account debtor. So we credited to Sabir. It is wrong. So to correct that, what we'll do? Debit or credit? Sabir?
Debit.
Debit. So Sabir account debtor, we credited to Sadiq 1,800. Okay. Cash correctly only we recorded. Okay. Only problem is this head only. So to suspense. Cash no problem. To suspense 6,800. Wrong side. Okay. Wrong side. It's a double effect. Purchase sales like that only here. Instead of debit, credit they wrote. One thing, one wrong head also. Wrong head also. Instead of Sadiq, they record Sabir. So correct debit is Sadiq. Sabir is wrong. To correct that Sabir, you have to debit. If any doubt you have, you can ask. Being cash paid to Sadiq, credited to Sabir. Now rectified. Next one, the total of purchase return book of rupees 3,150 was carried forward as 1,530. Understand? So correct amount, purchase return amount 3,150. But we wrote 1,530. So purchase book is undercast or overcast. Okay, purchase return book 3,150 was carried forward as 1,530. So it is undercast only, carried forward. Okay, so what will be the entry? Anjo CB. Purchase book undercast.
Suspense account purchase.
Yes, suspense account to purchase return. Suspense account to purchase return. Suspense account to purchase return being purchase return undercast, now rectified. So difference amount 3,150 minus 1,530. So we'll get 1,620. So here you look at cash paid to Shweta, rupees 7,500, debited to Angita, by rupees 7,000. So here it is a errors of principle only. But one thing you have to remember, amount little difference is there. So that's why suspense will come. Normally, we know that cash paid to Shweta, debited to Angida. Debited to Angida. Angida. Sorry. Debited to Angida. Cash paid to Shweta, debited to Angida. So, we know that correct debit is what? Correct cash paid to Shweta. Shweta account debtor. Angida is wrong. Angida is wrong. So what we will do? Angida. So Shweta account 7,500. Okay. To Angida account. To Angida account 7,000. Difference is there. So that will be suspense. Okay. Less amount is there. Carry undercast. So 500. Clear? Suppose cash paid to Shweta, debited to Angida. No problem. Shweta accounted to Angida. But less amount is different. So that's why suspense came. Being cash paid to Shweta. Debited to Angida. Now rectified. So that is next entry. Now prepare. If it is suspense account, they will ask prepare suspense account. Okay. Already you know that it is very easy. Ledger. You have to prepare the ledger. Suspense account. Suspense account. So here note, normally they used to give opening balance. Put on the debit side of trial balance like that they will give. Here they didn't give anything. So on the basis of journal entry, we will write. Okay. So you have to look the first entry. Purchase account debtor, sales account debtor to suspense. So first entry, suspense is credit. So credit side, for one credit, there will be two debit. So entry will be in the credit side. You have to look whether suspense account is debit or credit. Each entry. It is credit. So credit side you have to write by purchase, by sales. By purchase 3,000, by sales 3,000. Next one, second entry, suspense accounted to Anil Kumar. Second entry, suspense, that is debit. Debit side you have to write opposite aspect. To Anil Kumar, 4,500. 4,500. To Anil Kumar, 4,500. 4,500. Next one, third one, sales accounted to suspense. So suspense is credit. So credit side you have to write by sales. By sales, 2,000. By sales, 2,000. Next, fourth entry, credit is suspense. For one credit, there will be two debit. So by Sadiq, by Sabir. By Sadiq, by Sabir. By Sadiq, by Sabir. By Sadiq, by Sabir. Okay. Next entry, suspense account is debit. So debit side to purchase return. To purchase return. 1,620. To purchase return. $1,620. Next entry, Shweta account to Angida to suspense. Suspense is credit. So for suspense, debit is Shweta. Amount will be suspense amount. Credit to credit is there, but suspense amount is 500. Clear? So by Shweta 500. By Shweta 500. Last. By Shweta 500. Over. Now you have to find the balance. Which side is more? Credit side is more. Credit side total.
$15,300.
15,300. So balance what we will write? To difference as per trial balance. To difference as per trial balance. As per trial balance.
9,180.
9,000.
180.
Yes, 9,180. To difference as per to balance CD. Used to balance CD bracket difference as per trial balance. So to balance PD by balance PD. To balance CD. There is two difference as per trial balance. Okay. So now a rectification of errors over. So next you know that trial balance. Now I am revising. So if I start, which one? Depreciation. I can complete full problem. So I will ask questions. Trial balance, you know. So items will give on that basis. You have to write in debit or credit side. So you know, expense, assets, debit, assets, expenses, debit. No need, right? I will ask. You know that. Expenses, assets, debit, liability and income, credit. Okay. So first one, creditor. Shubham, debit or credit? It is a trial balance. So 6 mark question. Okay. Trial balance. Okay. So Shubham, debit or credit? Creditor. Shubham, fast. Basil, debit or credit? Creditor. Asset or liability? Aparna, creditor?
Sir, credit.
Yes, credit side because it is liability. Next, outstanding expenses. Anjo, debit or credit?
Debit.
No, credit. If expense is there, only expense is given, debit. But outstanding, that is liability. That is liability. Okay, outstanding expense, liability. So same like I will tell. Next one, prepaid, not like that. Prepaid insurance. This is adjustment item. Outstanding expenses, prepaid expenses, then accrued interest, income received in advance. That are which one? Adjustment items. So prepaid insurance, Annette, debit or credit? Prepaid. Prepaid. Annette?
Debit.
Debit. Yes. Debit because it is asset. It is asset. It is asset. Next one, income received in advance. Income received in advance. Income received in advance. Hanna, debit or credit?
Debit.
No, it is a liability. Income received in advance, liability. Balance sheet liability side only it will come. So it is a credit. Okay. Prepaid expense. I will show one more. Accrued interest means accrued income. Accrued income. Anjo. Accrued income. accrued income. Debit or credit? Debit. Debit. Because it is asset. It is asset. Okay. So you look at that prepaid expense and accrued interest asset. So it will use in your final account also. Final account also there. Prepaid expenses, accrued income, asset, income received in advance, outstanding expense, liability. Okay, adjustment item only. Prepaid expenses, accrued income, asset, outstanding expense, income received in advance, liability. So simple item, you know that. That's why only the exceptional case I am telling. General reserve. Abarna. Keeping amount from profit.
Sir, credit.
Yes, credit only. It is a liability. So already I said reserve profit and loss account. If the firm got a profit, that is a liability. Why? It becomes the liability of the company, because after that, that profit, that reserve we have to distribute, that profit we have to distribute to the shareholders. Okay. If it comes as asset side, means it is a loss. Profit and loss account asset side, that means it is a loss. So for right of purpose, under fictitious asset, miscellaneous expenditure, we will write. Next, provision for doubtful debt. Provision for doubtful debt. Aditya, debit or credit?
Credit.
Credit, correct. Then LIC drawings, full debit, advertisement, salary, for example, paid everything debit. If any received, commission received, interest received, dividend received, credit. Then purchase debit, sales credit. Purchase debit, purchase sales credit. Purchase debit, purchase return credit. Sales credit, sales return debit. Okay, return inward means sales return. Return outward means purchase return. All expenses debit, but assets, cash in hand, cash at bank, debtors, bills receivable, motor vehicle, furniture, everything debit. Credits, liabilities, creditors, bills payable, bank overdraft, bank loan, okay, credit. Then income received credit. Then extra this adjustment item, provision for bad debt, general reserve, income received in advance, outstanding expense credit, prepaid expenses, accrued income, that will come debit side. Okay, so